If you have ever stared into a monitor with full brightness in the middle of the night, you know that brightness controls are very important. My name is Yadullah, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can fix your broken brightness controls on Windows 11. There are a bunch of reasons why brightness settings might stop working on your Windows 11 PC. If the hotkeys on your keyboard are not working, the first thing that you can do is go ahead and try adjusting brightness from the Action Center itself. As you can see, there are brightness and volume settings which control the amount of brightness of your screen. If in this case this isn't working, we'll move on to the next step, which is enabling the integrated GPU. How to do that? Now right click the Windows Start menu and click on Device Manager. We'll give Device Manager some time to open up. And now in here what you have to do is, let me just close this, head over to Display Adapters. And you will see two display adapters here, especially if you're on a laptop. You will see the integrated GPU and the external GPU. This problem happens a lot of the times when people disable their integrated GPU to get better gaming performance, but that's not recommended, as that can cause problems like this and more, and it will eat away at your laptop's battery life. So to fix this, just right click this and there should be an option to enable the device in this menu. If there isn't any such option, then we'll move on to the next step. If enabling the device didn't fix your problem, or if there is no option to enable the device, you can just update or uninstall the device altogether and reinstall them. Now updating is a separate process, because once you click update you will see this window appear. Now this window has two options. You can either search automatically for drivers or browse your computer for drivers manually. So the update section is actually divided into two fixes from this point onwards. You can try letting Windows automatically search for your drivers, and it will tell you that you already have the best drivers installed, in which case you can go ahead and search for updated drivers on Windows Update. If this doesn't fix your problem, you can come back here, right click, update driver again, and browse your computer for drivers. Now in here you will select this option which says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And from this point onwards you can go ahead with either of these drivers and they both should work. But if the dedicated driver for your device doesn't work, you can always switch back to Microsoft's basic display adapter. This will impact your resolution and how you adjust things, but it should be able to let you switch brightness, and then you can reinstall the proper drivers from that point onwards. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if we can make any other such videos for you, or if you have any thoughts on this video, I'll be down there talking to you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.